Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to know if your package was successfully delivered from Taobao and also 1688 Chinese shopping app. So we are going to take a look at the two app tracking for successful delivery of your package in China. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing we want to do is to go ahead. I'm going to start with Taobao Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to click on my Taobao. Then after you open up your Taobao, next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon right here. That's going to take you right here. For every order on transit, you need to click on here to find out. So it's going to open up like so. Now, for every order that has been successfully delivered, every package that has been successfully delivered, you're going to have something like this, So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to open it up. So once you open it up, drag down, then you have this check mark right here, which simply means that this order has been successfully delivered. So that is for Taobao. Let's go ahead and check for 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on here now. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my 1688 app. After you open up your 1688 app, click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on this van icon. That's going to take you right here. So right here, you can easily go ahead and check on any of the products right here. So as at the time of making this video, these are all products on transit in my 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead and make use of this particular product right here. What we want to do is to click on here. So I'm going to click on that. Allow it to load up, and it's going to take you to tracking detail. Once you see this particular check mark right here, it simply means that the order have been successfully delivered in 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 or Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.